First, let's set the developer options. So we'll go to the settings and go to the About Phone, and we'll click on the MIUI version 5 times, and now you see that I'm a developer. Now let's go to the More, and not here, in the System and Device Additional Settings, and you can see here the developer options, and we will set the USB debugging to on, and you also need to set the USB debugging security settings to on, and approve all these boxes next, and this one next, and this one, last one, accept. Now you should connect via USB your device to the computer, and go to the ADB shell after downloading ADB, and type the command setting put secure UI night mode 2, and I will post the command in this video description. And after this you should reboot the device and you will have this night mode. Thank you.